How to withdraw Hamster Kombat token to your Bybit account. Immediately you open your Bybit account, click on Wallet over here. Then select Funding over here. In the search bar over here type HM like this and Hamster Kombat's token will be displayed. Immediately you see the Hamster Kombat token, click on it. Click on this Deposit over here. Then select the TON network. To withdraw your Hamster token to your Bybit, you will be needing your Hamster deposit address, your deposit memo, and your Bybit UID. First, copy your wallet address by clicking on this copy sign over here. After copying your wallet address, go over to your Hamster Kombat in the Telegram mini app and click on this Airdrop over here. Scroll down a bit, you'll see the Bybit exchange. Click on it. And if you already have a Bybit account, click on Yes, I have it over here. Now, all you need to do is to paste the Hamster deposit address that you already copied from Bybit into this section here. Now, head over to your Bybit once again, but this time, copy the memo address by clicking on the copy icon over here. Then, head over to your Telegram once again and paste the memo you copied from Bybit into this section written memo over here. And finally, for our Bybit UID, go back to the home over here. Then, click on your profile over here. Below your name, you should see your UID. Click on the tiny copy icon next to it to copy it. Then, head over to your Telegram. In the Bybit UID section over here, paste your UID there. Then, click on this Save and Choose over here. Congratulations! Your Bybit is now ready for withdrawal. And if you want to confirm if this request was submitted, look at the status over here. This shows the request was sent. And if you'd like to watch the tutorial on how to withdraw your Hamster token using your Binance account, click on this next video over here. Thank you guys for watching. See you in our next episode. And don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel.